Pharmacy, architecture, engineering and technology students can get a financial assistance as a scholarship to continue with their studies. Let's dive into the details. The scheme has the crystal clear objective to provide the crucial support to the students who come from economically backward section, aiming to create opportunity for the academic success. By offering the financial assistance, the scheme empowers the students excel in educational pursuits, breaking the barriers and contributing to the cycle of poverty. At any moment, if you feel that this scholarship is not suitable for you, then you need not to worry. We have multiple active scholarships on our portal, the Global Scholarship, link in description box. So what are the benefits of the scheme? First and foremost, it covers the complete tuition fees, ensuring that the financial constraints don't shrink your educational dreams. The scheme provides the financial support to the students struggling to pay their fees, making education accessible. It also recognizes and rewards the education excellence, fostering the culture of excellence in education. By removing financial barriers, the scheme promotes the education and making it accessible for the students who come from the economically backward section of society, encouraging them to pursue the challenging fields such as technology, engineering, pharmacy and architecture. Now let's see whether you are eligible for this incredible opportunity or not. The applicant must be a resident of West Bengal and secured a merit rank in engineering technology or pharmacy or architecture at the state or the national level. Your family income should not exceed more than 2.5 lakhs rupees. The scheme implemented for the various colleges in the state. But please do note that the certain students, like those who have already awarded from the scholarship called West Bengal Swami Vivekananda Merit Cum Means Based Scholarship, or the student have bagged any scholarship from the other resources, are not eligible for this. And the name of the scheme is West Bengal Free Ship Scheme Scholarship. If you want to get to know about more scholarship opportunities at the right time, then level up your scholarship game with our Plus membership. Get a personalized dashboard, be the first to know about the matching scholarship and enjoy the prompt support. Grab the exclusive 40% off as introductory price for a limited period of time. Upgrade now for only $599 to unlock your scholarship journey. Link in description box. Ready to apply for West Bengal Free Ship Scheme Scholarship? Gather your documents including mark sheet of class 10th and 12th, Aadhaar card, authorized domicile certificate, a merit card rank certificate. These documents will play a crucial role in unlocking the opportunities provided by West Bengal Free Ship Scheme Scholarship. To apply for this scholarship, hit the link given in the description box and you'll be redirected to our registration page. If you feel that this content is valuable, then please show some support by hitting the like button. Let's come back to the apply process video. Let's begin with the application by providing a university registration number along with applicant name, mobile number and email ID. Name of the entrance examination along with the year you have attended, and please provide the further details like a 10th standard board examination or the council name, registration number of 10th standard, along with provide the details of class 12 or the 10+2 details as the registration number along with the board or the council examination you have attended, and provide the details about the marks you have secured in class 10th and 10+2, and let's provide the current education details like name of the course you are pursuing, under what discipline, the state or the district where you belong to, and the name of the institution. And at last, create password and confirm password and click on the submit button. Once you click on the submit registration, there you will receive OTP on the registered mobile number. Please enter the OTP and confirm, and then your registration will be successfully done. Please note our application ID for the further use. So there you're done with a successful login, and you need to upload your passport size photograph along with a signature, and then you need to fill the details like name of the parent, guardian and mother, and the profession or the occupation of father, mother and a guardian. Along with that, please provide applicant's date of birth, phone number, address, gender and the contact details. And next, provide the information about your family income. Along with that, please provide the information whether you have bagged any other scholarship like Swami Vivekananda Merit Cum Means Based Scholarship, yes or no, select option. Click on save and continue button. And the next phase is uploading the documents, merit rank card, 10th and 12th mark sheet, domicile certificate and income certificate. Once you click on a save and continue, there you will see a preview of your application. Please check out all the details carefully. If everything is correct, then click on the checkbox where it defines that all the above given information are true and click on the submit button. Engineering, medical, undergraduate, diploma, class 11 and 12 students, here is one more scholarship opportunity for you. Watch this video for more details. Signing off. Take care until next time.